To make a E-wrap, you need to select these two buttons. Then get down by 2 for tension. If you're making jump on 7, for example, this is the button to release the two buttons. The brushes, when you're knitting, they are down. So for this E-wrap, we need to put them up and obviously press these two buttons. So now we're gonna select one needle each time. So I'm gonna go 1 and back, and this is a second. So every single time you selecting one needle and go through and back again. And I did first waist yarn, and I put the ravel cord, and now I was starting making E-wrap. Easy peasy, and it's so good. Of course, you don't need to hold the yarn in your hands like I do, but I was lazy to put through. So you can put the normal way from the top and just put through yarn feeder, and that will be alright. I just was lazy, so I wanted to do quick. Now you can watch how I've done it whole row, all this automatic. Finish, just push this button to release the other buttons, then brushes put down, and you're ready to knit. This is how what came up. When you finish, push this button to release the buttons and brushes put down, and that's it.